Morale high inside Okada for Ovia Northeast on Sunday, August 3, 2025, as the All Progressive Congress APC kickoff campaign for Barrister Omosede Igbinedion for the Ovia Federal Constituency by-election wey go shele for August 16. For the rally, Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa climbed stage talk with boldness as he yarn say Omosede go win the election. Im message not just be campaign promise, e be like wetin plenty people wey tanda for the flag of call prophetic confidence wey ginger the whole crowd. Oga Idahosa, wey be former member of House of Rep for Ovia before him become deputy governor, come out solid for Omosede and come also salute Governor Omosede Igbinedion and APC leaders, say them choose better person wey go fit represent the people well. A costi chook mouth on top wetin APC dey do for ground like the 7-kilometer Oku road from Oluku ward wey Setrako dey work on now, say na clear sign say the party dey work. Oga Idahosa no leave opposition parties out as im talk say the other candidates no go even fit win their unit, say dem don look everywhere and dem need person wey get sense, dey consis ten t and reliable, and say na Omosede fit that shoe. A constant mention wetin First Lady Senator Oluremi Tinubu talk say Edo no get woman for National Assembly, say that one join why dem wan change that level and na Omosede dem dey send.
Our people, I am here today to let you know that the governor of our great party and our great state found one of you worthy to be his deputy. And today, with your support, I'm the deputy governor of our great state. Because of that, the seat for Ovia Federal Constituency is now vacant. And we have looked around. The person that has the competence, that has the capacity, that is consistent, reliable, and the wife of our President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria said that there is no female representative from Edo State in National Assembly. And we decided to send Omosede to go and represent us. I want to thank the leadership of our great party, starting from the executive governor of our dear state, for all the support that he has given us in this party. And based on that, Omosede Igbinedion will be the winner on the 16th of August 2025. So our people, I want to thank the governor of our dear state, because in Ovia Federal Constituency, he has laid so much emphasis on the development of our federal constituency. Let me start with Ogun Road in Oluku Ward. From the express all the way to Siloko Road, over 7 kilometers. As we speak, the road is under construction by Setrako. In Ogede to Aduna, the place was a death trap. But the governor, as we speak, is tying the road all the way to Ekawa village. And from there, we take it to Gelegele. We were just talking a few minutes ago. He said he drove through the Osiloko road, that the road is in a bad shape, that he's going to do something that will make Ovia people happy. Ovia people, let me not talk too much, because we are going to embark on word-to-word campaign.
Governor Omosede Igbinedion, wey also tanda gidigba for the flag off, also follow talk as he call in deputy Oga Idahosa prophet, say anytime in talk e dey always happen. Oga Governor come stay yarn say na their work dey talk for them, and say the party dey send people wey get experience go National Assembly.
Are we ready?
Fully ready.
You know, we are just going into an easy election.
Okay.
Because we promised them before. In 8 years, there will be no any other party in Nigeria again. That is 8 years of Asawa Jew. You know, 16th of August. Who are we voting for? Who are we voting for? It's not even this election again. You know, we promised Mr. President 2.5 million votes. Are we serious? Of their people, are we ready?
3 million.
Is it not settled yet?
3 million.
They are increasing it. Of there is challenging other constituencies.
3 million.
So let me tell you something. There is something unique. You are going to elect an experienced legislator. Somebody who was there before. Automatically, she's going there as a ranking member. All this house boy that say they are contesting. Are you going to vote for them at all? You know, let me tell you something. When my deputy talk, sometimes I will think you see a prophet. It's a prophet. And then people say this is are they going to get any vote at all? The truth is this. Let me tell you one secret. By 3 or 4 days' time, they are going to step down for her. You don't believe it? When we came into office, we said we will not fight anybody. We will not push anybody to join us. Our work will speak for us. Is it not speaking for us? I passed the road now. When I was talking to Dennis, I said, that road, Siloko Road, is a death trap. Is it not a death trap? You had governor for 8 years. You could not do anything. Are you going to pay such governor with a vote? There is practically no road in Edo State. Last week I was in Edo North. I cried. I was in Edo Central. The same thing. Today, Ovia. You know I'm already taking a tar road to Gelegele. Are you aware of that? You know that army barracks. You can't pass that place. Go there. Go and see Apako When we are saying we 2.5 million votes, we are not just saying it. Because of our work, we speak for us. That is the vote we are going to bring out. First flyover in Edo State. I am telling you by April next year, you will drive on top that flyover. You know, there's something. Our children matters. Go to our schools. A lot of renovations are going on. Let me tell you, I'm not going to talk much. Your vote will also speak to me. On the 16th, who are we voting for? Who are we voting for? When you get home, tell those boys not to waste their money. They will join us. They should not even waste their money. Let them come and join the boat. Because we are in this boat, the boat will continue to fly until 2027. When we will let them know, say we have 2.5 million votes in Edo State. Is that not so? Thank you and God bless all of you.
Speaker Chair, Edo House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, Edo APC Chemu Emperor Jared Tenebe, and other leaders also follow ginger the people of Ovia to come out plenty and give full support to APC for the by-election and other elections where they come.
Today, we come back now. Say una daughter, Omosede Igbinedion, Governor Big and come here today. Say na she want me go House of Rep. That's why governor stand here. Make no beg. No, no for governor hand. We come from our west. We come from the our nation. We come support governor to support our sister Igbinedion. And I know as our deputy talker, say the people where they follow and contest, we don't know which party they do. On that day, me go come of here because my one party will come of here. An injury to one is an injury to all. I go join my deputy governor. Will come here, come do the election free and fair, and Gabriel Omosede will be declared winner. Okay, yeah.
Before now, we have a young man who did so well for their federal constituency. A man who was nicknamed Mr. Project. A man who did most of the things that we are seeing in our federal constituency today. That man is Honorable Idahosa, your deputy governor today. You see the reason why APC is giving opportunity to young people. If you look at the entire country, Nigeria, you will discover that our governor is the youngest governor in Nigeria. That is the reason. Every day, you will see the governor inspecting his projects, moving from one place to another. He has turned this state to a construction site. That is because he's a young man. That is the reason why today, go to Use Polytechnic. For the past 23 years, they've not had internal roads. As I speak, it's going on. The internal roads are going on. They've cleared the salaries that they owe to all the lecturers. Up to date, they are not owing their salary. And they have also capped to the 17 naira a minimum wage for workers. It's tapped into. Bursary award is also part of the package that they have. And they are also tying a lot of roads within this of their constituency. So that is the reason why we believe that young people, when they are in government, when you give them opportunity, they perform. I have just made mention of many things that they are doing in the education sector. Because you have a young governor and a young commissioner of education who is working very hard to ensure that all these things are possible. In that light, we are bringing in Honorable Omosede Igbinedion to take over from where Honorable Idahosa, Mr. Project, stopped in Abuja at the Green Chambers. That is the APC. Today, we're also going to receive some people, PDP, that feel that that party is dead, into our fold. And APC is a progressive party. APC is a party that identifies good things and want good things for all of us. And you know what Omosede did when he was in the House of Reps. He's going to combine all of that to what Dennis Idahosa has been doing, so that he will continue from where he stopped and take this constituency to a height that none of us ever imagined. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of you into this campaign as we move today we are going to the green chambers in Abuja.
What you are seeing here today is a testimony of what is to come on the 16th. We have a daughter of the soil. We thank you for giving us Omosede. We thank you for giving us DECO, the action deputy governor. During the primary election, it shows. We also use this opportunity to thank others who contested with Omosede for their wonderful work, and not only that, after the primaries, even during the primaries, they are contributing in terms of human capacity to this campaign. I thank every one of you. Your Excellency, we are seeing your hard work in Ovia, the primary schools, the teachers you are hiring, the 1 billion you are giving to the students, the roads you are tying, the sweepers you are hiring, the empowerment for women, the empowerment for youth, the empowerment for the elderly. Oh, you do much.
The time don't come, endorsement, we don't do it differently. Don't be so, not so. They don't bring woman come out, women are not ready. Yes, sir, because as you know, as they talk for Abuja, we they talk about reserve seat for women. Now there we there, so every vote counts. So what do we they look now? We say for that chamber, 1 woman plus 1 woman. Don't be so plus 1 woman.
Let me thank the people of Ovia for supporting us by nominating Omosede Igbinedion. Ovia, oh yeah. Let me tell you that you didn't make any mistake. She is the right choice. She watched it. We believe in her. We know Deco tried very well. We prayed her she will supersede what Deco did in Ovia Federal Constituency.
The big moment come when APC State Chairman Emperor Jarrett Tinebe present APC flag give Omosede officially. As she collect the flag, she thank President Tinubu, Governor Okpebholo and other party leaders well. She also thanked the aspirants who stepped down for her and gave big shout out to Deputy Governor Idahosa for standing by her. She constituted say she yarn her papa, the Asama of Benin, Chief Gabriel Igbinedion, say PDP don't fall Yakata, say the party don't sink past Titanic and say that ship no go rise again.
Honorable Omosede Igbinedion, this flag was brought back from Abuja by Honorable Dennis Idahosa. He brought this flag back when he resigned as member of House of Rep, when he was promoted to that executive position of the Deputy Governor of this state. He did not just bring this flag. He brought this flag with renovation of schools, electricity, construction of roads, empowerment that made them to nickname him Mr. Project. We want you to continue from where Dennis Idahosa started in the House of Rep. That is the reason why he brought this flag back, for us to hand it over to you, for this flag to take you to the green chambers and continue from where he stopped to the glory of God. Congratulations.
Wave it. Thank you very much.
Without you being Deputy Governor, I could not be going back to the House of Reps today. I want to thank you so much, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, for putting your heart and your soul into this campaign. I said right now, I'm Igbinedion Idahosa. I have a brother. It's a brother. Oh. I said brother, please. His wife is my sister. I have a brother and he's been so supportive, and I want to say thank you so very much. Your Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, when I met you, my life turned around. I told you, I said that coming from a PDP foundation family, to leave my whole family and say I was an orphan because Daddy said there's no room for me in his house again, or if I'm going to APC. And he said to me I shouldn't worry. Today my father is the proudest person having a daughter in APC. I told my father, I said that PDP is a sinking ship and I'm not ready to sink. And today, it's very clear. The ship has sunk. It has sunk even more than the Titanic. And it is never, ever, ever going to rise again. So I'm so happy to be a part of a party where we have an amazing president who is so progressive, our city boy, and he is turning Nigeria around for the better. When I met the governor told me that there will be no other party left in Edo State and in Nigeria by the time they're done. And truly, there's only APC. Any other thing, I don't even know what to call it, you know? But what I want to promise you is that where my brother stopped, I will continue. I will continue to get advice from him and ensure that it's going to be project after project after project, and it's going to be commissioning project after project. I want to thank the state chairman. Chairman, you have been amazing. Thank you for being a father. Thank you for being a brother. The secretary of our great party, Pa Lawrence Oka, he's been a daddy. Thank you so much. All the members of our great party, the APC, I want to say a big thank you. His Excellency Lucky Emaswen, His Excellency Right Honorable Pius Odu. I don't want to mention names, please, because everybody has been wonderful. Pastor Osake Ize Yamu, a special thank you to Honorable Valentine Aswen as well for his support. Mr. Speaker, thank you so much for coming to Okada today. Okada must feel your presence. As you can see, the rain has stopped. There were showers of blessing, and now the rain has stopped for us to continue today's occasion. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. May God bless you. Thank you. And sorry, lastly, please, last but not least, I want to thank all the aspirants that contested alongside with me. They're here today. I know it's not been easy, but you know, I told them and I begged them to, I said legislative experience counts. I want to tell you people in Edo State, let us not be ignorant. In Delta State, you see 4th-time member, 5th-time member, 6th-time member of House of Reps. Edo State, we're fond of only sending people once or twice, and it does not benefit us. We want to be ranking, because that is the only time that we're going to be able to bring back so many projects to our constituency and to our state to help our governor. Let us ensure that we continue to support ranking membership, whether at the House of Reps or at the Senate. The DG of this campaign, Honorable Charity, thank you so much. You put your heart and your soul into this. From the time you said you had stepped down for me and for the progress of our party, you put your heart and soul into it. Thank you for being the DG. I appreciate you. Love you plenty.
As campaign don't start with fire and unity strong inside APC, the vibe for Ovia Federal Constituency clear say the game they change. All I now dey on August 16 when the people go vote, and we go see if Omosede Igbinedion go truly carry the mandate go National Assembly as everybody dey hope. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.